There are new LLMs every day, and then there is new drama also every day in artificial intelligence community. Today's headline act feature none other than the tech world's favorite showman Elon Musk taking a legal leap of faith against his brainchild turned Frankenstein monster OpenAI and its ringmaster Sam Altman. It's a tale of promises, profits, and a pinch of AI powered drama, it seems. Just imagine this and picture this. Back in the golden year of 2015, which was like 9 years ago, Musk, alongside a band of merry tech visionaries, set sail on the SS OpenAI, pledged to the noble cause of AI for the good of all. Fast forward to today, and Musk is waving the legal flag, claiming OpenAI turned its sail, chasing after the gold laden galleons of Microsoft. In the heart of all this saga, Musk accuses OpenAI of swapping its knightly armor for a corporate suit, focusing on filling Microsoft's coffer rather than enriching humanity. Imagine from open source champions to Microsoft's secret sauce chefs, all under the guise of advancing AI. Remember, when Musk gracefully exited stage left from OpenAI's board in 2018, citing the classic "It's not you, it's me" due to potential plot conflicts. Since then, he's been like the ex who can't stop posting about how much better things have been since the breakup, especially after ChatGPT hit the scene like the latest pop sensation. Flashback to 2018, Musk wanted to be the captain of OpenAI ship but was sent adrift. He promised a treasure chest of $1 billion but sailed away after dropping off just 100 million. Left in a financial squall, OpenAI hitched a ride with Microsoft's Galleon, steering towards the horizon of profitability. Now, in March 2023, Musk's part of the chorus calling for a 6-month freeze on AI talent show more explosive than GPT 4. But wait, plot twist. 7 months later, he backstage crafting Grok, ChatGPT's rival act under the neon lights of his new gig XAI. And now, in a twist that could only be scripted in Silicon Valley, exactly a year after calling for an AI timeout, Musk is suing his old crew. It's a blockbuster move, signaling a showdown between Musk's vision of AI utopia and the reality of a tech titan tussle. So, grab your popcorn and stay tuned as we dive into this epic saga exploring what happens when tech giants clash in a world where AI dreams meet corporate streams. It's going to be a wild ride, folks, with plenty of twists, turns, and tweets. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Could this be the plot twist AI needed, or is it just another Silicon Valley soap opera? Let the comment section decide. And as I said, please share it among your network as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.